Step 1. Select your favorite ripe fruits. Berries, mangoes, apples, and peaches are all great options. Step 2. Wash the selected fruit thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or residue. Step 3. Peel and core the fruit as needed, removing any seeds, stems, or unwanted parts. Step 4. Chop the prepared fruit into smaller pieces for even cooking and easier blending. Step 5. Place the chopped fruit into a blender or food processor for pureeing into a smooth pulp. Step 6. Add a squeeze of lemon juice to prevent browning and enhance the natural fruit flavors. Step 7. If desired, sweeten the fruit puree with honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar. Step 8. Line a baking sheet or dehydrator tray with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Step 9. Pour the fruit puree onto the prepared surface, spreading it into a thin, even layer. Step 10. Dehydrate in a dehydrator or oven at the lowest setting until the fruit leather is pliable. Step 11. Check the fruit leather regularly, typically every hour, to ensure it isn't over-dried or burning. Step 12. Once cooled, cut the fruit leather into strips or shapes and store in an airtight container.